I'm in Heartland, Michigan on this rainy day, and we're about to go look for edible and medicinal plants. Come with us.
We're going to start with the plant that's in every mowed lawn everywhere, plantain.
So this is oxeye daisy, and the leaves taste a little bit like anise. It's good on salads. There's also a carrot here. Make sure it has nice fuzzy stems.
Here's a witch's butter, which is a type of jelly fungus, and those are used in soup, believe it or not.
Here's a sassafras showing off his 3 different shaped leaves, and this plant has several different spices all in one plant. She's got some wild mints that she's permacultured into her garden. We've got catnip here and bergamot, which is also a mint. The new growth on the tips of the pines is good for making a syrup or a salt.
Yeah,
That is a little brown mushroom. We don't eat little brown mushrooms. Yarrow, which is one of the best medicinal plants out there.
Oh, yeah.
We have a nanny berry, and it is not in season this time of year. However, it has really great fruits, and now is the best time of year to look for them because the flowers are easy to see. Shagbark hickory, we can make syrup with those shags, which is really nice. These are oyster mushrooms, and they're in really nice shape. They have a whole group of yellow birches here, which can be tapped to make syrup. That is a crayfish hole, and crayfish are definitely edible. Don't eat the endangered ones.
So this little 3-leaf plant is a ground nut, which means there's some tubers underneath there that are edible. And then, of course, don't forget cattails.
There is a leek. You can see that little flower stalk there.
So this is a rusula or brittlecap mushroom. It has a really white stem and white gills. This may or may not be edible. Some of the red ones are edible and some are not. This is a false Solomon seal, and there is an edible rhizome under there. It's not really the season for it, but now's the time to find them really easy and then come back in the fall. Tamaracks, which are tall and skinny and make perfect push poles for when you're harvesting rice. This is a spice bush just starting to leaf out, and that's another good seasoning plant there. Beautiful little patch of ostrich fern. We didn't find any fiddleheads. They're done for the season, but we know it's here.
That's very
Jewelweed, which is a really good antidote for poison ivy and mosquito bites.
wood sorrel, which is super lemony. And here we have a grape. If you're foraging for grape leaves, make sure your vines have forks on their tendrils.
Pepperweed growing in the garden. That's an excellent seasoning.
Violets have an excellent green that is got a really long season.
Redbud leaves are pretty yummy if you get them small.
Some wild ginger if you want a seasoning.
Follow me for more.